Hello friends, this video on Ray Optics part 41 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Please make sure that you have watched all the videos till part 40 before going ahead with part 41. So now that we have discussed so many important and different phenomena of light, reflection of light, refraction of light, we talked about lenses as well as prisms. So now it is time that let us talk about some of the instruments which have been designed using these phenomenon. So as I mentioned in the very first slide that some of the instruments, optical instruments are microscope, telescope and periscope and many such other instruments are also there. So in this topic we will study about some of the important optical instruments. So let us first see what are optical instruments. Instruments designed using reflecting and refracting properties of mirrors, lenses and prisms. So now you understand why are we discussing about optical instruments at the end? Because now we know what is reflection, we know what is refraction, we also know about spherical mirrors, lenses as well as prisms. So we know all of these terms and we know all of them in depth, right? So now it will be easier for us to understand how these optical instruments work. Because these optical instruments were also designed by somebody like us who had a thorough knowledge of the concepts. Right? So now it is very easy for you to understand the working of these optical instruments. So some of the important optical instruments are binoculars, where I already told you inside binocular we have arrangement of prisms, right? Not only prisms, lenses are also there. Telescope, which helps us to see distant objects clearly. So even inside telescope we have lenses. Microscope, even in microscope we have lenses. It is just that the types of lenses are different in different instruments, which make their purpose different. Eye, the most beautiful example of an optical instrument. You must be wondering that eye is something natural. Nobody has made, no human being has designed eye, right? But human eye is a very beautiful gift of God, which is nothing but an optical instrument. I'll tell you how. When we study about the structure of the eye, how our eye works, then you will know that how and why do we consider eye as an optical instrument. Periscope. So these are some of the instruments which make use of the optical properties, right? So in this section we will discuss in detail about 3 out of these instruments. That is, we are going to have a detailed discussion on telescope, microscope and the human eye, of course. So since eye is the most beautiful of all of these, so let us start our discussion with. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thank you once again.